Up first this evening, the St. Catherine South Police have unearthed what they believe to be a hideout for the Mexico gang in the bushes along Dyke Road close to the Gregory Park community. As Jamaica Maitland now reports, a series of firebombing attacks this morning led the police to the remote area.
One man was shot and killed and 5 guns recovered in a daring before dawn shooting between gunmen and the police in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. The man, who remains unidentified, was reportedly part of a group that allegedly fired at officers when they responded to a firebombing incident in a section of the community called Mexico. The running gun battle ended with a gun find on Dyke Road.
Search of the area, they found one M16 rifle, 2 shotguns, 1 AK-47 rifle, 1 Taurus pistol. Further search of the area, after that, subsequent to that, another weapon was found, which is a .380 pistol.
The police also stumbled upon the hideout of gang who've been trading bullets in Gregory Park.
We saw things like WD-40, mosquito repellent inside there, food, utensils, several bottles of gasoline. We also saw items of clothing, lighter, alcoholic bottles and hammer, and items used to clean weapons, shoes and so on. So obviously this is an area where they operate from as a base.
The lonely road, little to no street lights and overgrown trees and shrub make it a perfect hiding spot for criminals. It's why the SSP is asking for the authorities to improve the maintenance of the area. Motorists are also being urged to be vigilant when traversing the dangerous thoroughfare.
Whenever the police comes into Gregory Park, this is one of the areas that they move into, they escape into. And if you've been tracking the history of our interaction with Gregory Park, there's a lot of clear misses in Gregory Park. Men always escape in bushes around here. So now we have a better understanding of what's happening and how these areas are utilized. We're going to be dominating this space. It's our ground now, and we are appealing to those youngsters who continue to be a part of this criminal syndicate. You have an opportunity to step out, because we're not going to relent.
Meanwhile, back in the community, residents were rummaging through the rubble, securing items that weren't destroyed by the blaze and packing them into moving vehicles. An entire yard flattened, families displaced. This homemade bottle bomb did not explode and is a reminder of the horror just hours before. 4 men have been listed as persons of interest by the police.
Shane Williams, OC Gaza Toussaint, a man who goes by the name Teacher, and Imaro Mackenzie, OC Munga, and Kirkwind, OC Big Red, are persons of interest who can assist us in this investigation. We are inviting those persons to turn themselves into the police immediately.
Gregory Park remains under a curfew. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.